Imagine making viral memes in seconds, turning raw text into stunning infographics, writing code at hyperspeed, predicting solar storms before they happen, and running your workflow on autopilot. Yes, all of that became reality in just the last few hours. Strap in! In this episode of XAI Toolverse, I'll break down the most discussed, most shared, and absolutely jaw-dropping AI launches that are setting the internet on fire right now. Let's get straight into the action. No time to blink. First up, let's talk about a tool that's already redefined what going viral means. Yapper. Imagine an AI that takes your script, news, joke, or reaction and instantly generates studio-grade video content. We're not just talking basic talking heads. Yapper creates expressive avatars, syncs lips and facial gestures to your audio, and drops it all into social media-ready video, complete with trending effects. In the last few hours, meme creators, brands, even mainstream comedians have used Yapper to flood TikTok and Instagram with deepfake-powered reaction content. Good luck trying to spot what's real and what's unreal, but there's more. Yapper's deepfake engine lets creators remix voices and faces in seconds, letting you launch parody skits, music covers, and even wild historic cameos. The virality is off the charts. And if your social feed seems twice as wild lately, now you know why. Moving on to Napkin AI, which just made mind mapping, data storytelling, and business pitching a breeze. This tool takes plain text, be it complex ideas, process outlines, or classroom notes, and magically turns it into polished diagrams, infographics, or charts. No design skills? No problem. Educators are using it to visualize lessons instantly. Business founders are mapping out go-to-market strategies with drag-and-drop simplicity. Marketers are cranking out report visuals that grab attention. The customization is endless. Choose layouts, icons, branding colors, even custom flow logic. And you can export straight to PowerPoint, Notion, or social feeds. Just imagine your next big business pitch or YouTube explainer, built in minutes instead of hours, all with the storytelling impact of a pro design team. Now, here's what's setting the developer world on fire. DeepSeek V3.1. In just the last day, coders everywhere are raving about this update. DeepSeek isn't your average autocomplete. It's a full-blown coding assistant, capable of understanding context across multiple files, explaining functions, and even debugging complex logic. It's language agnostic, supports everything from Python to Rust, and learns your workflow as you code. Picture this. You describe a feature in plain English, and DeepSeek drafts the function, structured, documented, ready to deploy. Teams are seeing 40% reduction in code review times, and solo developers are rolling out side projects at breakneck speed. It even integrates with GitHub Copilot and JetBrains. If you've ever wished coding felt more like brainstorming with a genius pair programmer, DeepSeek V3.1 is your dream come true. Another standout from the recent wave is Runway Gen-3, which just went viral for its hyper-realistic video generation capabilities. Runway lets you create short video clips, cinematic, animated, even surreal, using just simple prompts. Designers and marketers are using Gen-3 to bring static images to life, power up brand storytelling, and craft eye-catching ad campaigns in minutes. Its intuitive interface and real-time editing have sparked a surge of social buzz, making Gen-3 a go-to for next-level video creativity. Let's talk about e-commerce industry. E-commerce is having a revolution with SellerPick AI. This powerhouse lets online sellers transform a single product photo into multiple poses, backgrounds, and even generate lip-sync product videos for platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and TikTok. With SellerPick, what used to take hours of photo shoots and editing now takes just seconds, helping even new sellers boost their listings and stand out with studio-quality visuals. Next stop is outer space. NASA and IBM's Surya AI model just landed on Hugging Face, and with it, a revolution in solar weather prediction. Why does this matter? Because solar storms can knock out satellites, scramble GPS, and even disrupt global power. Surya AI is trained on real solar observation data and predicts flares with 16% higher accuracy than conventional systems. Scientists are already sharing visualizations showing how Surya's days-ahead predictions could save millions in disrupted communications and averted disasters. From telecom giants to academic researchers and even amateur astronomers. This is real science fiction, made open source, and everyone can try it out right now. Finally, welcome to the future of business automation. Kimi K2. Where most enterprise AI tools require months of setup and training, Kimi K2 runs on pure text and smart logic. You describe a workflow. If payment received, generate invoice, ping sales, schedule delivery, and Kimi builds, triggers, and even adapts steps on the fly. From parsing emails to routing leads and updating dashboards, it bridges code understanding with business logic. No code required. What's truly remarkable is its integration with popular workplace apps and its ability to adapt across industries. Businesses are getting hours back every week, cutting ops costs and scaling processes that once needed entire teams, now at AI speed. Here's a lightning round of the other viral launches making waves and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. ClipForge instantly creates YouTube Shorts and Reels from long-form videos using AI-powered highlight detection. Polyglot Voice, a translation engine that dubs your videos into 30+ languages with pitch-perfect emotional matching. MindMesh. Teams are using this tool to brainstorm, vote, and build collaborative mind maps in real time. No more post-it notes. Forecastly AI. Imagine weather prediction for your business. It merges local data, events, and even news signals to predict demand, supply disruptions, and pricing trends. All AI-powered. Brand Sync AI. Marketers, meet your new superpower. Advanced trend spotting, campaign management, and copy generation, all rolled into an interface that learns your audience as you grow. What we've seen in just the last few hours is a clear acceleration toward AI tools that aren't just smart. They're becoming creators, collaborators, and creative partners. From meme magic to space science, code, and automation, these innovations are reshaping every part of our digital lives. We highly recommend you jump in, test these tools, and see how they'll transform your work and creativity. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which AI breakthrough blew your mind? Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned to XAI Toolverse for more in-depth explorations of the tech shaping our future. See you in the next video, where tomorrow's tools are built today.